Hello students, how are you? In this, there is a question, and question is this, that is there is a pulse moving in a form of waves. The pulse in a string, you have to find time whether this displacement is 50 centimeter. What is time taken by the pulse to move 50 centimeter? This is tension in the string by 1 kg mass, hanging by 1 kg mass, and linear mass density is 1 gram per centimeter. So as you know, time t equal displacement upon velocity. Displacement is 50 centimeter, that is 0.5 upon velocity root t by m. This is 0.5 upon tension due to 1 kg. So tension due to, this is the mg, this is the 10, 1 into g, this is the 10 upon linear mass, it is 10 to power minus 10 kg per meter. So it will go upward, and this becomes further, this becomes 0.5 upon root 10 root 100. This becomes 0.5 upon 10. This is 0.05 second. 5 second. So 0.05 second is the time. Okay. So our next question is, it is very simple. Yes, this is the question. In this question, there is a tuning fork of frequency 220 Hz. Due to vibration of tuning fork, sound is producing. Sound waves are longitudinal waves. I made transverse for simplicity only. Here will be compression, rarefaction, compression and rarefaction like this. So there will be wavelength in the sound wave, that is 1.5 meter at NTP. So what is the change in wavelength at temperature T equal 27 degrees Celsius? At temperature 27 degrees Celsius. You know it very well. That is V equal nu lambda. So wavelength, we have to find change in wavelength. Change in wavelength, that is lambda 2 minus lambda 1, and lambda is V upon frequency, so velocity upon frequency minus velocity of frequency. Frequency will be unchanged. With increase in temperature, frequency is unchanged. So this is frequency, this is frequency. But velocity will be changed. Velocity 2 and velocity 1. Velocity will be changed. So as we know, velocity is inversely proportional. Velocity at t upon velocity is 0 equal velocity is proportional to the root of temperature. So that is t at t naught. So this is 273 plus t upon t naught, 273 plus 0. So this is equal to square root 1 plus t upon 273, and you may write by binomial theorem 1 plus half of t upon 273. This is, so this is Vt upon V naught. So in this V naught, velocity of sound at 0 degrees Celsius. It is, you may write Vt equal 1 plus T upon 2 3 just 6, 2 7 are 14 and 2 2 are 4 on 5. This is, so Vt equal this times of V naught. This is the V naught. So now you may substitute the values. It is V2, this value substitute, or you can say Vt or V2, that is Vt upon nu minus V0 upon nu. So now substitute the values and wavelength difference will find. If any velocity of sound in air 330 meter per second, temperature T is given 27 degrees Celsius is 30. Okay, so you can substitute the values. So Vt equal 1 plus 27 upon 546. 546 times of 330. So on simplification we will find Vt. You substitute Vt upon frequency, this wavelength difference you will find. Okay. In case any doubt, please clear. Okay. Best of luck.